Hi dear students, today also we will be discussing a segment of grade 8 which is algebraic expressions as well as substitution also we will be able to see in this segment most probably when it comes to the question of algebraic expressions that question is related with substitution. So let's learn right now. So this segment is related. Definitely, this type of one will be tested. Um, yes, our issue. Here is a rectangle. Here is a rectangle. Here is a rectangle. This the length is x, the breadth is y. How can you calculate the perimeter of this rectangle in terms of x, yes, and y in terms of x and y? Yes, perimeter equals to this is x and this one also x. Length, here length, here y, breadth equals to breadth. So perimeter equals to x plus here y plus y. Okay, so x plus x 2x, y plus y 2y. So which means the perimeter of this rectangle is 2x plus 2y. Perimeter is 2x plus 2y. So here is a way of getting the perimeter of this rectangle in terms of x and y. Okay, don't misunderstand. This lesson is not perimeter, but this lesson is related with algebraic expressions. Okay, so anyway, here is a one way of getting the perimeter. The other way is here x, and two x terms can be seen here. So x into 2 plus two y terms can be seen here, 2 into x, 2x, 2 into y, 2y. Okay, this way also can be followed to get the perimeter of this rectangle in terms of x and y. Okay, this is the question, right? These type of questions most probably you will be able to see in the test paper. In this type of one. It has given that the length of this these statements are given in the paper, right? I will not be giving you a question, but this question will be you will be able to see in the test paper the question in this sense. It has given that the length as 5x plus 2y. The length is 5x plus 2y. It is mentioned, it is tested in the paper that the length is 5x plus 2y. These are unknown terms, x and y. You do not know the values of x and y here. So the length is 5x plus 2y. The breadth is 3x plus 4y. This can be taken. The length is 5x plus 2y, the breadth is 3x plus 4y. You could get the first question is you need to get the perimeter of this rectangle in terms of x and y. If this is 5x minus 2, 5x plus 2y, this one also 5x plus 2y. This one 5x plus 2y. Breadth 3x plus 4y, here also breadth 3x plus 4y. Now you are able to get the perimeter. Question is get the perimeter in terms of x and y. What you want to do here 5x plus 2y, 5x plus 2y. These types of same types of expressions, two same types of equations you are able to see here. So 5x plus 2y into 2 here, 2 into 5x plus 2y. Next one, then 2 into 3x plus 4y, 3x plus 4y, 3x plus 4y. So let's remove the bracket here. 2 into 5x 10x, 2 into 2y. 2 into 2y is 4y plus 4y. 2 into 3x is 6x. 2 into 4y is 8y. Now you are able to simplify, you are able to add the right terms. So here 10x and 6x can be added. That 16x plus 12y. This is the perimeter of this rectangle. You take the perimeter of this rectangle in terms of x and y. 16x plus 12y. Yes, 16x plus 12y. This is the perimeter. And also this question can be given as when it comes to the second part of this question. The question can be given as then it gives eventually it gives the values of x and y. Eventually it gives the values of x and y, that x equals 3 cm and y equals to 1 cm. Just to imagine that these values are given, right? X equals, eventually it gives that these values are x equals 3 and y equals 1. Now how can you do this? Imagine that these values are given, right? X equals, eventually it gives that these values are x equals 3 and y equals 1. Now how can you do this? How can you simplify this? Yes. The question is, you have to get the perimeter using these given values. I mean, for x equals 3 and y equals 1. So let's substitute these values, right? We've taken the perimeter at 16x plus 12y. 16x plus 12y. 16x plus 12y. We could substitute these taken values of x and y here. That x equals 3 and y equals 1. X equals 3p equals perimeter equals 16x plus 12y. So here between 16 and x, you could see here you need to know that multiplication. X equals 3. Then between 12 and y, multiplication here. Then 12 times 1 here. So 16 times 3 is 16 times 3. 16 times 1, 16. 16 times 32. 16 times 3 is 48. 48 plus 12. 48 plus 12 is, 48 plus 12 is 50, 60. The answer is 60. Okay, 60. Is it able to write the answer as 60? No, you can't write that, the answer as 60. You need to write, you must write 60 cm, otherwise you won't be able to get full marks for this question. Okay, the other question. This type of one variable, right? So you will be able to see this type of 1, 2x minus y, 2x minus y, these lengths, and the other one 5x. What you have to do here, you have to find the perimeter. These data, right? These values are given in the test paper. What you have to do here, the first question is you have to calculate the perimeter of this triangle using in terms of x and y. Then 2x minus y, 2x minus y. 2 into, I will write it here. Then 2 into, P means perimeter. 2x minus y, 2x minus y. There are two expressions here. 2x minus y, 2x minus y. Because of that reason, 2 into, I get it as 2 into 2x minus y plus 5x. Now you are able to remove the bracket here. So 2 into 2x, 2 into 2x is 4x. Then here plus into minus 2 into y is 2y plus 5x. So after that, what you have to do, you can add these same like terms can be added. 4x plus 5x. 4x plus 5x is 9x plus 9x minus 2. This is the perimeter of this rectangle in terms of x. We take the perimeter of this rectangle in terms of x and y. Yes, this question also can be given when it comes to the second part of this question. You will be able to see the question as you know that you will be given the values of x and y. After that, what you have to do, then given values you could substitute in this taken expression to be taken the perimeter. Okay, so this is the basic idea of this part. So we will be able to do many questions of grade 8 in the near future. Okay, thanks for watching.